Hey guys, it's Longbow here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a controller drift. And yeah, so first you gotta take these blue things off from there. Use like a flathead screwdriver, and then once you get them off, you need to take out these screws that are in there. There are 2 on each side. And once you take them off, you need to take off the sticker from the battery thing, and you take the screw out of that. And then you should do this, and you take your joysticks off, and you take the gray things off that are right there. They were, but I removed them. And so, yeah. And then you put it back together. And, yeah, so I'm just doing it right now. So, yeah. My controller is drifting, so, yeah. Trying to fix it. Then the battery's in. I'm sorry, my phone just fell. But you put the batteries in, and then turn it on. And then it doesn't glitch anymore, so yeah. It's probably the fastest way to do it, so yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, and yeah, peace.